sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Standing water or high humidity, nasty odors, or dangerous mold? Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS.
It's the Weather Xtreme video. This is the morning edition. This is for Monday, the 25th of April. I'm James Spann. Alabama's weather turning noticeably cooler tomorrow after a cold front passing through tonight. That will also bring the chance of showers, maybe a rumble of thunder in spots. Here we go. This is the upper air look early this morning. And again this week, like last week, the main wave action will be staying north of the state. You can see the upper low that's north of the Great Lakes. We've got a ridge here across the deep south, but a cold front will be pushing through despite that ridge late tonight, early tomorrow. That was the radar this morning. A little before 5 o'clock, had some showers over parts of Arkansas, West Tennessee, and those will be creeping into northwest Alabama by mid to late afternoon. Temperatures this morning are mostly in the 60s, a few upper 50s across the eastern side of the state. We're expecting highs back in the 80s again today, but tomorrow, highs will be in the upper 60s in some spots. We have a dense fog advisory early this morning for southwest Alabama. That should dissipate by mid-morning. Otherwise, pretty quiet. We do note flash flood watches and warnings for parts of Arkansas to start the day. Here's the severe weather outlook today, and the SPC guys have defined a marginal risk all the way from Texas to western New York, and that kind of clips the northwestern corner of Alabama. But this is a very, very low-end threat. There is no chance of a tornado. There's no chance of hail. Maybe a storm with gusty winds, but again, most people will not see any severe weather today or tonight. Tomorrow, a marginal risk for parts of North Carolina and Virginia. And day 3, Wednesday, no severe weather expected across the country. Here's the rain for the next 7 days. The west and the southwest is dry. Heavier totals for Alabama around the shoals with 1 inch. And for South Alabama, rain amounts 1/10 of an inch or less, not much at all. So model fans, let's go. Here's the GFS. This is the 06C run, valid today at 4. Again, the troughing well to the north, ridge across the southeastern states. And there's your cold front. Showers from near Detroit down to about Waco, Texas. Go to the high-res NAM this evening at 6 o'clock, and you can see showers moving across the Tennessee Valley at that point. And again, there might be a rumble of thunder tonight, showers, but rain not heavy. And the chance of severe weather is very, very low. 4 a.m. tomorrow, maybe a few lingering showers over north and northeast Alabama. And here's the synoptic look tomorrow afternoon at 4 o'clock. And the bulk of the showers pushing out of the state at that point. And again, noticeably cooler. The high tomorrow between 68 and 72 with a northwest wind. And for North Alabama, the skies should begin to clear by afternoon. Wednesday, a beautiful day. Sunny. We start the day in the 40s. The high will be in the 70s. Thursday, the high around 80. We're dry. And Friday, low 80s are likely. We'll call it partly sunny, and again, we should be dry. But about the weekend, you ask. This is Saturday, and evidence there could be enough moisture for a few scattered, spotty showers. Not a washout, but just keep in mind there might be a shower around. The high will be in the low to mid-80s. And the same thing on Sunday. Maybe a shower in spots, but a decent chunk of the day dry. For both days, a mixture of clouds and sunshine with highs low to mid-80s. A week from today, Monday, the 2nd of May, got general ridging still in place here, and that most likely will keep the better chance of showers to the north. So again, the bottom line is the weather looks pretty quiet here for the next 7 days. We'll go out 10 days. This is Wednesday of next week, May 4th, troughing to the north, and a cold front pushing through with a chance of showers and maybe a few thunderstorms at this point. But again, we see no big chance of any severe weather here for the next 7 to 10 days at this point. Rain for Birmingham off the European ensemble between now and the 9th of May. The mean a bit over 2 inches. Temperatures cool down tomorrow and Wednesday. Other than that, highs mostly in the low to mid-80s, lows mostly in the 60s across the board. Those cooler mornings with 40s will come Wednesday and Thursday morning. And the latest 8 to 14-day outlook from the CPC, this is for May 2nd through May 8th. Temperatures around here will likely be a little above average if this forecast verifies. That's it for the Weather Xtreme video this morning. We'll have notes on the blog. The next video here by 3 o'clock this afternoon. If you can, catch us this evening on ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and God bless.
Sagging, bouncing, or uneven floors? Call Alabama Professional Services. Standing water or high humidity? Call APS. Nasty odors or dangerous mold? Call APS. Critters, bugs, or other pests? That's right, call APS. It's a fact. Crawl space problems don't get better with time, but they do get better when you call APS. Call Alabama Professional Services today.